Good day, sir. We are from Group 26. So this video is about the simulation of model review using the modern tool Ansys. So first, I've created a 3D model of 2 degree of freedom based on the equation. There's 3 strings attached to the surface area of the model. Mesh 1, Mesh 2. Mesh 1 is the mass of Mesh 1 is smaller than Mesh 2. The Mesh 1 is 1050 kg and the Mesh 2 is 1400. Also for the first design, each of the spring stiffness are not the same. Alright, so first when we run the simulation, we can see that the Mesh 1 and Mesh 2 are moving in the same direction. So by the looks of it, the Mesh 2 speed is faster than Mesh 1, is moving further away and more than Mesh 1. So when the speed of Mesh 1 is when the minimum is 0.012 something, and then the speed of the Mesh 2 is 0.024, which is actually double the speed of Mesh 1. Okay, so we are focusing the force on Mesh 1. So now we'll be focusing the force on Mesh 2. And when we run the simulation, you can see that Mesh 1 and Mesh 2, they are moving in different direction. And Mesh 1 is actually faster this time than Mesh 2. It's moving more further away. And when the Mesh 1 is the red color, so which is the maximum speed is 0.028, and then the speed of Mesh 2 is 0.0104. So it's about twice and more of the speed of Mesh 1 and Mesh 2. Alright, so now let's move on to the second design. For the second design, we use same spring stiffness for all the spring, and then the mesh is still the same for the Mesh 1 and Mesh 2. So we run the simulation, we can see they are actually moving at the similar speed, but Mesh 2 is still higher than Mesh 1. And then the direction of them is also same. Now focus on the force on Mesh 2. We can see that also the same with the first design. They are moving in opposite direction. And the speed is also almost double compared with each other. So from both of the design, we obtain the natural frequency for all the mode shape. So by comparing of them, the second design has lower frequency in hertz than the first design, which is the first design using different stiffness, which is higher than the second design. The second design, the stiffness of the spring is all the same and is lower than the first design.